Are you planning your next adventure holiday? At Reccy, you can find adventures for every bucket list. Did you know that your favorite adventure has so many options? No frills budget trips to full-service luxury trips. Short versus long trips. Compare key inclusions like meals, transfers, and accommodation. Meals may be included, partially included, or not included at all. In some trips, a traveling team of chefs will serve your favorite dishes. You may be staying in 5- or 4-star hotels, rustic lodges, or in some cases in exotic eco-camps. Transfers may be using public transport or private vehicles. Internal flights may or may not be included. Some trips may include additional days for local sightseeing. The group size may be small, medium, or large, and the number of guides may also vary. Is it confusing? Are you not sure what you are paying for? Welcome to Reccy Travel, your one-stop shop to compare and book your favorite adventure.